Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on trading preferences, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, come here to reset all hidden hints, just click on it here. So then you click here on confirm here, then it's going to reset with you here on your app. So then it's going to reset with you now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.